Hello YouTube, this is SumNightGuy75 again, and I'm continuing with my videos of my anime toy collection. Sorry I haven't added a video in quite a while, but I have been busy, and now I finally have enough time to continue with my videos. And today I'm going to show you my Pretty Cure Max Heart toys. It's an awful lot, as you can see. I was surprised myself. Okay, let's start. This is the Heartful Commune. This is a new transformation item that Cure Black and Cure White get in the Max Heart season. Like the item from the first season, this also acts like a sort of Tamagotchi game. Actually, I'm not quite happy about this, because I would like them to work like the actual items from the series, and not just as this kind of Tamagotchi game. But nevertheless, here it is. I also have the carry bag for it. This has some additional heart-shaped cards that you can use. Oh, sun is coming out. And then we have the Rainbow Sparkle bracelets. The pink one for Cure Black and the blue one for Cure White. These are actually nicely done. They are similar to the rainbow bracelet from the first season. And then we move on to the stuff that Shiny Luminous, the new character in Max Heart, has. This is her touch commune that she uses to transform herself. There's little Pollen's face in there. And as with the transformation item for Black and White, she also has a carry bag with which to carry it around. So it says touch commune. And then this is her heart-shaped brooch. I need to take it out of the sun, it's so bright. Also very nice. And then we have this. This is her main weapon. This is the Heartial Baton, which she uses to also power up the attacks of Cure Black and Cure White. Beautiful pink all around. And here you can see her holding it. Actually, I think it is the same size that it is supposed to be in this series, because it's not that small, so it's very nice. It's not unlike, if you remember my video about my PGSM toys, like the harp of Princess Sailor Moon, that is really, really small. I think this one is similar to the size of the heart-shaped wand in Max Heart. And then I have something very unusual. It's this. This is another edition of the Heartial Baton, and considering what is on the package, I think this is the version of the wand from the second Max Heart movie. Now, I saw this on Japamart a few years ago, and I was like, oh, this looks different than the one you already have, and it was not that expensive, so I thought, well, just buy it and then you have it. And so far I have not seen this item anywhere else. I have never seen this on eBay, and I have not seen it on Japamart since. So I suppose it must be something very rare. Maybe it was some kind of limited special edition that was released especially for the movie. There is the logo for the second Max Heart movie. So it's quite possible that this is some kind of limited edition, and well, I don't know, but maybe it's very valuable. Who knows? I'm glad to have it. So if anyone knows if this is a limited edition or not, or what is the secret behind this, just drop me a line or send me a message. I'd be very interested. And then, of course, there is some kind of computer thing in the Max Heart season. It's very big. This is the Miracle Commune. This is similar to the laptop kind toy from the first Pretty Cure season. Also everything in pink. Maybe I will do a demonstration video of some of these toys, especially of this one, once I figure out how this is supposed to be operated. And of course it comes with a bag to carry it around. It looks very plastic, but nevertheless very, very nice. And finally, for the toys, there is this. This is the Queen's chair, where all the little Heartio jewels are supposed to be collected. So, quite a lot already. And then what I also have is 2 Japanese mangas of Pretty Cure Max Heart. This one, I think this is about the TV series. And then I have this manga, which is about the Max Heart movie. It's also about the second Max Heart movie. And last but not least, I have the Max Heart soundtrack CD. This is just the background music. I think there are also some song collections of the Max Heart season out there, but I don't have them. But I just wanted to have the soundtrack CD because of the Henshin music and the background music and everything. So, well, that's about it. All my Max Heart Pretty Cure stuff. Oh, it's quite a lot. Okay, so this concludes my video about my Pretty Cure Max Heart items. If you like it, just leave me a comment. And if you have any questions, also leave me a comment, message me, everything. Feel free to ask. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time. Bye.